In previous videos, we saw what happened when you have a number raised to a power, same as raised to an index, times the same number raised to another index. You add the indices, right? And when you have a number to an index divided by another number to another index, you subtract the indices, the numerator index minus the denominator index. We want to see what will happen when we have a number to an index and all of that is raised to another index. So let's go to our whiteboard and see what's going on. Now let us say that our number here is 3, and 3 is raised to the power of 2. Then all of that is raised to the power of 4. Let's see how we would work this out. If this is equal to, now 3 squared, you know what that is? It is 3 times 3. You see that? You have 2 3's, right? You have 2 3's, and the 3's multiply each other. You remember that? Now let's put back our bracket. That is what we are raising to the power of 4. So 3 squared, which is this, is being raised to the power of 4. Now a number raised to the power of 4, what does that mean? It means you have 4 of that number and they all multiply. So you have 3 by 3. So that is one of them. Then multiplied by 3 by 3. That's the second one. Then multiplied by 3 by 3. Let me put it in bracket. So that is the third one, multiplied by 3 by 3, which is the fourth one. You see all of that, alright? So you have 1 3 by 3, 2 3 by 3, 3 3 by 3, 4 3 by 3. It means 3 by 3 to the power of 4, because you have 3 by 3 4 times and they all multiply. Now let us remove these brackets. This is 3 by 3. Put down this multiplication sign here, times 3 by 3. But this multiplication sign is this is this, and so on and so forth, right? So times this one, times 3 by 3, times finally 3 by 3. Alright, all we're left with is some 3 that multiply each other. How many 3's do we have multiply each other? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 of them. Alright, the last one looks like 2. It should be 3. This last one. Good. Now 8 3's multiply. The short way of writing this is to say 3 to the power of 8. Now let's look back here, the 2 and the 4. We could say it is 3 to the power of, it's not 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 will be 6. It's not 2 divided by 4 nor 4 divided by 2, it is 2 times 4. So 3 to the 2 multiplied by 4 equals 3 to the 8. So what this is suggesting is that if I have 3 to the 2 and all to the 4, I must multiply the indices. Generally, if I say x x to the power of a, and all of that is raised to the power of b, then what I end up with is x to the power of a times b. I didn't really have to write the multiplication sign. When you have two letters multiply, you could just write them like that and say it is x to the ab. Right? So number to a power raised to another power, it is the number to the, you multiply the powers. You see that? Alright, now we're going to look further at indices later on in another video, so I'll see you then.